Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to invite you to take part in my 2018 Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. So I wanted to give you guys lots of time for this one because I know that the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge is one of your favorites to be part of. It's definitely one of my favorite challenges to do as well. I love seeing all of your creations and decor ideas. So for those of you that have taken part in this DIY and Decor Challenge before, you know what to do. This challenge is going to take place on Saturday, November 17th, 2018. That's when you're going to schedule your video, and I'm going to leave a playlist in the description box of this video on the Friday before, so Friday, November 16th, where you can add your video yourself. For those of you that are new to this challenge, if you have a YouTube channel, you can take part in this challenge. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel and you want to share one of your Christmas themed DIY or decor themed ideas on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, just make sure to tag me, the DIY Mommy. So all you have to do is come up with any sort of idea related to Christmas. So it could be a Christmas tablescape, a Christmas tree decorating idea, it could be a sewing project related to Christmas, it could be a Christmas home tour, it could be a tour of just one room that's decorated for Christmas in your home, and make a video of that and schedule it for Saturday, November 17th, 2018, and then you can add your video to the playlist that I will link in the description box below. You add it yourself, so this will be a collaborative link. I'll put it in the description box of this video as well as my own Christmas DIY and decor video on November 18th, so you can add your own video. And then we're gonna have this really fantastic collaborative playlist of all of these videos in this challenge. And what this does is, first of all, it helps us get tons of ideas for our own Christmas decor and craft projects by watching each other's videos. It also allows you to meet other YouTubers that are kindred spirits that love to craft and create and decorate just like you. Plus, it can help you get some subscribers to your video because people are going to find you through this playlist. I'll make sure to shout out this playlist in my video and link to it underneath my video so people can go ahead and watch all of the videos in the playlist on the 17th. Just make sure to put somewhere in the title of your video that this is the 2018 Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. Mention somewhere in your video that it is hosted by me, the DIY Mommy, and ask people to check out my video to see the playlist. You could also put the playlist link in your video description as well so that people can find this playlist and check out all of the other projects. I simply cannot wait to see what you guys come up with for this challenge. I love watching your videos. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them in the comments below. I'd also like to hear if you know kind of what you're going to do already for your video. Let me know in the comments below or give us all a hint at what your project is. We would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with a hint at what you're going to do for this challenge, and I can't wait to see all of your videos. Bye.